Okay, ganyan. So, I'm practicing kung paano siya i-set up and di ko alam kung tama ba yung, um, ah, ano ba, tama yung angle, ewan ko. So, I'm just really practicing kung paano mag-setup kasi ang balak ko ngayon is mapa-grow ko yung YouTube channel ko. So, the reason why I'm trying to become more consistent sa paggawa ng content ngayon is because ang dami ko kasi talagang ang dami kong goals. Una is maging consistent sa paggawa ng content. Tapos kapag naging consistent na ako and mahanap ko yung rhythm ko, yung style ko, yung theme, para makagawa ako ng brand templates, kumbaga, para hindi na ako gumawa ng gumawa from scratch. Di ko alam kung anong pinagsasabi ko. Basta, yung gusto ko is magkaroon ako ng own system ko sa paggawa ng content. So, ngayon, based on sa napanood ko kasi na YouTube video on how you can start content creation, you need to pick a platform daw. So, two platforms. Isang long form, isang short form. So, ang gusto ko is YouTube yung magiging long form platform ko. And yung short form naman, i-cross-post ko na lang lahat sila sa YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. So, ayun siya. Para hindi masyadong, since marami tayong mga accounts and kailangan nating maging active. So, yun yung plano ko. And actually, na-start ko na siya. Pero yung pinaka naging main ko ngayon kasi is sa Instagram since doon ako nagkaroon ng traction recently and gusto kong makip and ma-build pa yung momentum. So, ayun siya. Pero hindi ko din gustong pabayaan yung YouTube channel ko because recently, yung car review ko kasi na ginawa, nag-gain siya ng views and unti-unting nadadagdagan yung subscribers ko. Ayun na naman, na-motivate na naman ako, na-inspire na naman ako. So, ayun siya. Even though hindi ko gusto na saka lang ako gumagawa ng content kapag na-inspire or na-motivate, I'm still figuring it out. Pero kapag naman talagang meron akong feeling na, uy, kailangan kong makip yung momentum. So, gagawa ako ng content. So, ini-embrace ko na lang yun. Hindi ko na pinipressure ng masyado yung sarili ko kasi nga, gusto kong maging consistent even if hindi man daily posting, basta hindi ako mag-stop na parang aabot na naman sa months na mawawala ako saka babalik na naman ulit. Parang ganun. So, yeah, I'm just trying to make it more simple and convenient and easy kasi ayokong ma-burn out. And content creation kasi is something na I've been trying to really build for ilang years. Hobby ko na kasi talaga mag-post-post sa social media. It's just that ang dami nang kumikita sa pag-create ng content. So, I've been creating and posting on social media for almost a decade. So, ngayon, I think it's really time for me to take it seriously if I really want to start getting paid for it. Ganun siya. Para hindi naman sayang yung effort. It's not really about the money lang, but I'm also trying to improve my skills and communication. Ang gusto ko kasi talagang ma-prove na kahit simple yung content, hindi fancy yung setup, hindi perfect yung setup, walang magandang background, ganun. Gusto ko talagang ma-prove na kayang-kaya mong maging paid content creator. Kahit sa ang platform mo gustong mag-focus. So, ayun siya. And another thing is, ayun, hindi ko alam kung tama 'tong pagka-setup ko, basta ginamit ko lang yung tripod na meron ako, yung portable tripod ng T&W. Tapos, since kanina nagcha-charge pa yung isang phone ko, gamit ko yung isa kong phone, which is the iPhone 11, and using the back camera. So, hindi ko alam kung anong kalalabasan ng video until I finish this. So, ayun, I'm just learning din how to overcome my fear kasi awkward. I mean, okay na ako, like, parang nasanay na ako mag-talking video using the front cam. Pero mas better kasi yung back camera. So, ngayon, pinapractice ko na siya. Parang awkward na hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko. Pero at least, alam mo yun, like, it's awkward looking at the camera. So, ayun lang, parang isipin na lang natin na nakikipag-chikahan tayo sa ating friend. Ganun siya na vibes. So, meron akong na-schedule na video. I tried to do like a talking video pero in English. Kasi I'm experimenting kung talagang or kung gagana ba siya, like makakagain ba siya ng views. Kasi parang mas madaming viewers sa US na talagang interested sa paggawa ng content, ganyan, and it's really working. It's something na talagang interested ako. So, I tried creating a video about why this is the best time to create or start creating content or start your content creation journey, ganyan. So, basically, I'm just sharing my thoughts kung bakit feeling ko this is the best time to start. I don't really think it's, kahit alam ko na madami ng content creator kasi it still feels like it's not too late to start. As someone who's also starting to take content creation seriously, I also wanted to share my journey and show na pwede ka nang mag-start ngayon kahit you only have a phone. Basically, I'm trying to bring people along with my journey and also sharing to them or giving them or talagang proving to them na as someone who's also starting, pwede pa ding makapag-share kahit hindi ka expert, kahit wala ka pang maraming achievements, wala ka pang maraming proof na mapakita. Just showing people that you're starting, ganun, and inspiring them, encouraging them to start na din if they've been thinking about creating content. Basta, di ko alam, paulit-ulit na tayo. Siguro i-upload ko to sa YouTube. Basta para lang mabalikan ko siya, like this is so funny. I feel like talagang beginner feeling, beginner feels, beginner vibes, ganun. And just sharing my thoughts and plans and goals. Gusto ko kasi talagang bumili ng vlogging camera. Ayokong bumili kung hindi pa ako sure. Kasi marami na akong pinagbibili for my content creation dream. And hindi ko sila nagagamit. I mean, hindi ko nagagamit lahat. Pero ngayon, kung ano yung talagang kailangan ko, which is the tripod, this mic, my phone, yun na lang muna. Hindi ko gagawing complicated. Pwede naman eh. Ito lang naman talaga yung kailangan mo. So, ayun. Gusto ko kasing paghirapan yung ipambibili ko ng vlogging camera. Gusto ko munang ma-ROI yung mga pera na ginamit ko para bilhin tong mga to. If you're watching this video, you probably are also thinking or you've been creating content tapos on and off ka din, kagaya ko. This is an invitation na this is an invitation to start. Kasi I'm here. I'm also doing my own journey. So I'd love to connect with others. We can maybe create a group chat or a Facebook group or whatever. So we can brainstorm ganyan and keep everyone accountable. And yeah, this is to remind you that all you have to do is start. I'm pretty sure meron kang iPhone, meron kang magandang phone kasi you've been thinking about content creation and nagke-create ka naman na pero hindi ka consistent. So basically, we need to help each other. So I'm inviting you, I'm welcoming you to join me on my journey. We'll figure things out together and yeah, let's just see what happens. Para kasing fulfilling na kahit wala ka pang kahit hindi pa man nakikita yung results, magkaka-result din tayo. Kailangan lang nating hanapin yung mga tao na merong same mindset, same interest para ma-increase yung followers, yung viewers natin, or yung views ng videos. So, yeah, I'm just letting you know na hindi ka alone. Andito ako and I'm showing up. This is really for my people, for the people na kagaya ko. So, this is for us, basically. Ay, ang awkward. Pero yeah, I think I'll end this video here. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget na kailangan mo nang mag-start kasi andito na ako. Comment ka below if gusto mong gumawa tayo ng group kasi kailangan natin magtulungan. So, bye! Lain na.